Hi, my name's Pierce and welcome back to the Great Plains Fresh Start Parts video series. Fresh Start Parts is all about keeping your equipment in like new condition. Just makes sense. Well-maintained machines go to the field with less downtime and make time in the field more profitable. And when it is time to trade into the new model, your equipment's going to get a better trade allowance if everything's been maintained with OEM parts. Right now, Great Plains is offering specialized rebuild kits for specific wear components on your piece of equipment. You can save time and money and ensure a complete rebuild by making sure all of the wear components are ordered and replaced together and at the same time. These complete assemblies are specially priced to help you save money and make sure that when it is time to rebuild your component, you have everything you need. Take, for example, this Coulter Hub Rebuild Kit, which right out of the box, you're going to get a new hub, 2 new pre-installed braces, 2 new bearings, a dust cap, a new seal, and even a new cotter pin. You might ask yourself, why do we pre-install the braces for you? And it's because when you factor in the time to disassemble, clean, and reassemble these components, as well as the chance that damage is incurred during the reassembly process, we want to take that out of the equation for you altogether and provide to you a turnkey hub out of the box that's ready to be installed. We have 2 new bearings to make sure that the bearing integrity is the same as it would be if it was a brand new piece of equipment. We have a new seal to protect all the internal components, and we even have a cotter pin to make sure that we don't have a failure there when we're in the field that would lead to downtime. Finally, we include a new dust cap that, because it is a friction fit, over time could fall off. We don't want to have that happen in the field, so it's a good idea to replace that when you're going through the rest of the components. The nice thing about this kit, like I mentioned, it's all going to come right out of the box, ready to be installed with everything that you're going to need. As always, make sure that when it's time to do your rebuild, you use original OEM Great Plains Fresh Start parts to ensure the original part quality and integrity that first went into your drill goes back into it when you're done with your rebuild.